How to start learning Python on the Encode application. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to change your course and start learning to Python, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home page. Now tap onto settings at the top right corner right here. Select it. Then here you can find change course right here. Now simply select it. Then here you can find Python right here onto the learn to code. Now tap onto Python right here, select it. Now here you can see it has been changed to learn to code. Now you can simply learn Python from right here. From the intro, strings, numbers, everything right here. And that's it. This is how you can start learning Python in the Encode application. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.